Have you ever wondered how much money you're leaving on the table just by scrolling through Facebook every day? With over 2.9 billion active users, Facebook isn't just a social platform, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your time on Facebook into real income, step by step. These strategies have helped countless people generate side hustles and even full-time incomes, and they can do the same for you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start earning today. For many people, Facebook feels like a time sink, endless scrolling, liking, and sharing, with little to show for it. Maybe you've tried selling something online before and struggled to get attention, or wondered how influencers seem to monetize every post. The truth is, most people don't know how to leverage Facebook's tools effectively, leaving money on the table. Imagine this. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, turned her passion for crafts into a $5,000 per month business just using Facebook. Why not you? Today, we'll break down exactly how to avoid the mistakes most people make and how to tap into Facebook's immense earning potential. Here's the plan. We're diving into 6 proven strategies to make money on Facebook. We'll cover everything from selling products on Facebook Marketplace to building profitable groups, earning through affiliate marketing, and even leveraging Facebook ads and Creator Studio. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to pick a method that suits your skills and start earning immediately. 1. Selling products via Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is one of the simplest ways to start earning. The platform allows you to sell items directly to buyers in your local area, cutting out the middleman and eliminating shipping hassles. Start by identifying items you no longer need: furniture, electronics, or even clothing. Take clear, well-lit photos and write honest descriptions to attract buyers. Pricing competitively is key. Check similar listings to gauge what sells. For example, let's say you have an old dining table. Post it for $200. Within days, you could have multiple buyers interested. Imagine selling just 5 items like that per month. That's an extra $1,000 in your pocket. Ready to go bigger? Consider flipping items. Visit thrift stores or garage sales, find undervalued items, and resell them for a profit on Facebook Marketplace. The key is starting today. Pick one item in your home, list it, and watch how quickly the offers come in. The confidence you'll gain will push you to do more. 2. Affiliate marketing on Facebook. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services. You'll post a link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a cut. To start, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Next, pick products you're passionate about and your audience will find useful. Create engaging posts. For example, "This kitchen gadget saved me so much time this week," and include your affiliate link. Let's break it down. Imagine promoting a $100 product with a 10% commission. If 20 people buy through your link, you've made $200. To scale, focus on building trust with your audience. Engage with comments and provide honest reviews. The key is authenticity. People can sense a sales pitch a mile away. Start small by sharing one affiliate link this week and track the results. With consistency, this can become a significant income stream. 3. Growing and monetizing a Facebook group. Creating a Facebook group around a niche you love can lead to consistent income. Think of groups as communities of like-minded people eager to connect and share. Start by identifying a niche: fitness, parenting, or personal finance, for example. Post valuable content, like tips or discussions, to attract members. Once your group grows, monetize it through sponsored posts, affiliate links, or even your own products or services. Take Emily's story. She created a fitness group offering free workout tips. Within 6 months, she had 10,000 members and began selling workout plans directly through her group. Today, it generates over $8,000 per month. The key takeaway? Consistent value builds trust, and trust leads to income. If you haven't already, brainstorm a niche you're passionate about and start building your group today. 4. Facebook ads and sponsored content. If you have a decent following, businesses will pay you to promote their products. Approach companies in your niche and offer ad space on your profile or page. Sponsored posts are another great option. Create engaging content showcasing the product. Here's an example. A food blogger partnered with a meal kit service. By posting one video of herself using the kit, she earned $500. It's that simple. The best part? You don't need a massive audience, just an engaged one. Start by reaching out to small businesses in your area and offering to promote them. This strategy not only boosts your income, but also builds relationships with brands that could lead to bigger opportunities. 5. Facebook Creator Studio and ad breaks. If you love creating videos, Facebook Creator Studio is your gateway to passive income. By posting engaging content, you can qualify for in-stream ads. These ads play during your videos, and Facebook pays you based on views. The more engaging your content, the more you earn. Start by uploading videos that solve a problem or entertain your audience. For instance, a travel vlogger earned $3,000 in ad revenue from a single video showcasing budget-friendly destinations. Ready to try it? Plan one video this week, even a simple tutorial or review, and upload it. Over time, consistent uploads can create a steady income stream. 6. Selling services and coaching. If you have a skill, graphic design, writing, or coaching, Facebook is the perfect platform to market it. Create posts showcasing your expertise and encourage followers to book your services. Build credibility by sharing testimonials and offering free advice to attract paying clients. Consider this. A life coach used Facebook Live to offer free sessions. Within a month, she gained 15 new clients, each paying $100 per hour. What skills do you have that people might pay for? Start by crafting a post highlighting your expertise and inviting inquiries. It's an immediate step toward turning your skills into income. Think about this. Every day you spend scrolling without a plan is a missed opportunity to earn. These strategies are proven and accessible to anyone willing to take action. Remember, the most successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. You don't need a huge following or years of experience to start. Take one step today, and your future self will thank you. If you found value in these strategies, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the strategy you'll try first. Your engagement helps us bring you even more valuable content to help you achieve your financial goals. Check out the description or the first pinned comment for exclusive resources and recommendations to help you get started. And since you made it this far, YouTube has selected the perfect next video for you. Click on it now and keep building your financial success.